Hey guys, Dr. John Rusin here with Bodybuilding.com, talking to you about one of my favorite exercises for pain-free shoulder training, which is the face pull. So the first variation that I really like on the face pull is also the most simple. We're using a black circular band here. It's about a medium resistance, and we have it positioned right up at the eyes. Now the grip is key here. We want about 4 to 6 inches between our hands. We want our hands in a palms down position. What this is going to allow us to do is as I pull back towards the face, I can also pull the band apart. So this variation would be called the banded face pull apart. Key cues on this one is keep the rib cage down, keep your ass on, make sure that you're driving back, and also pulling out using slight external rotation this way at the shoulders as you peak that contraction. Now, if you guys are training in the commercial gym, the next most common variation that I see for my face pulls are using the rope attachment on the cable system. So the rope has to have some sort of grip happening at the hands in order for this not to happen. So we want minimal amount of grip happening at the hands, just enough so the rope stays right where we want it. Notice that my thumbs are free, my thumbs are in an up position, and it allows us to pull back towards the face, but also stay in an externally rotated position here at the shoulders. Now, if you guys want a really novel upgrade, combining both of these elements here into one exercise, the handless, banded, cable face pull is the best movement that I've ever used to take away something called the irradiation effect. Irradiation is great if we're looking at maximal strength, but in terms of targeting these small muscles up here, we want to take all the tension out of the chain here, and we want to put it right up here with the intrinsics of the deltoid, the upper back, and the rotator cuff. So I have that same band, medium resistance, I have it put on the cable system, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to slip my hands right through this band. I'm going to have my hands on the band, but I'm going to have them loose, and from here it's going to be exactly the same setup with a handless grip. Again, the band is right around my wrists. I'm able to pull back without ever gripping through the hands whatsoever. Now this is a really great variation again for targeting the upper back, but this handless banded setup can be used on any different exercise coming off the cable units. So we've done them with face pulls, we've done them with a pull apart variation, we've also done them with lateral raises in every single direction. Give this one a try, your shoulder is going to feel great.